Make sure this batch goes to the right furnace. To the right furnace.
Got it. The blues are for tempering.
Watch the flow, holding steady, moving to the next one.
Steel frames begin to take shape, forming the skeleton of the motorcycle. Engines are carefully installed, bringing the Honda motorcycle closer to life.
Precision gear assemblies are integrated to ensure smooth and reliable power delivery. Suspension and braking systems are installed, essential for safety and handling. Tires are mounted, establishing the motorcycle's first contact with the road. Body panels and tanks are added, giving the motorcycle its iconic silhouette. Electrical systems are integrated, linking every control and display.
Controls are fitted, allowing the rider to communicate with the machine.
Seats and trim complete the exterior, merging form with function. Every moving part is tested for precision before final finishing. With core components assembled, attention now shifts to high-tech automation and finishing. The Honda motorcycle now takes its first strides as a complete machine, ready for precise automation systems.
Every Honda motorcycle undergoes meticulous visual inspection before any test. Engines are tested for optimal compression, guaranteeing peak performance.
Brakes are rigorously tested to ensure maximum safety.
Suspensions endure simulated loads, confirming durability and comfort.
Make sure all measurements are within the green.
Looks good on this side. All parameters are nominal.
We analyze these fluids to ensure optimal performance and prevent costly equipment failures.